Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. In today's tutorial, I would like to explain how you can connect InfluxDB version 3 to the Grafana and then how you can visualize the data of InfluxDB. As you know that in my previous session, I have explained that there is an external add-ons in InfluxDB, which they call it InfluxDB Explorer, and you can query or you can write the data into InfluxDB. But there is an alternative solution, and that is Grafana, which can monitor the data. So I would like to show you that how it will work, and if you are interested in this topic, please stay with me until end, and let's get started. Okay, first of all, you have to make sure your InfluxDB is open and running. This is the first point. If you don't know how to run the InfluxDB, please watch my previous video. I will drop the link below of this uh, tutorial, then definitely you can find it. So first you need to come to the Grafana official website. Just maybe you can Googling Grafana download, then it will navigate to this page. So here you can see this is the latest version based on the today's date, and there is two options as enterprise and also OSS. So open source Grafana and enterprise for free features is same. I didn't see any difference between these two, but there are some extra features in enterprise version which you can pay, and then you will use it. But again, you can use both. So in this regard, I went with this enterprise version, and also that I went with the binary part of it. Download the zip file, and you can extract the zip file, and there is then the server. So already I have downloaded this file. Let's jump to my folder and to see how you can run Grafana. So this part, okay, sorry. Hold on. Okay, this is the folder for Grafana, which you can find here. There is a one previous version or as an installer, but I'm not going to install the Grafana. I'm using this binary version. First, you would need to extract the file, and after you extract the file, you will see such these folders, and go to the bin folder and right click run as administrator, and here you go. It will run the server, and you can type as a localhost 3000, then it will navigate and bring this page for you. So by default you can use this as an admin, and if you want to change the password, you can change the password. If you don't want, you can skip. Then it will jump to Grafana homepage, and there are a lot of the options, but we don't talk about that. Where we go to connection and add a new connection. When you will come to add new connection, then you will find many we can say that a lot of the add-ons and a library or data sources. So we will need InfluxDB. Here you go. This is the InfluxDB, and we would need to install this InfluxDB. So I'm using the add new data source, and here you go. Then you have the InfluxDB. Let me change the name as an YouTube test, and here you can use influx query and also SQL or Flux. Let's keep it as InfluxQL. Here your access method is server. .8086. I believe we need to drop the API token here, and I am looking for that part. Okay guys, I found what is the differences. If you look at here, there is an InfluxQL, and here mentioned SQL is only for supported InfluxDB version 3. So we have to use SQL for InfluxDB version 3. That InfluxQL or Flux could be for InfluxDB version 2 and others as well, but SQL for InfluxDB version 3. So when you using the SQL, then by default it will ask you about the database and also the token, which I drop it here. So I'm going to save and test. Okay, there is the error. Yeah, okay, then okay, I have resolved the problem, and I just want to explain what was the problem. First of all, this URL was wrong. The port is 8181, and also it was not local. It was look like this, so there was no L. So I fixed this two problem. Second issue is that also you need to use this connection because I am not using the TLS, so that's the reason. So after that you can save and test. So now this Grafana is established. You can go and building the some dashboard. So let's come to the sum of the dashboard. If already I have the dashboard or no, I'm not sure about that. Okay, so here no data. Let's come to the oops. Okay, when you come to the dashboard, so you will select your data source here, and definitely this is the one of the data which I have added here. You will find it that table, and you can write down as a aggregation is a max mean. So let's see, max humidity, and then let's run it. Let's make it as a table view, at least to know. And I think my data was for 2020. So let's take it. This I forgot. Since when I have added the data. So let's keep it as a 2022 January 1st until let's make it like this. Okay, then let's apply time change. Here you go. Because I don't have that much data in my DB, so I got only one value as a 16 here. You can add some data, but it's just only the one data here, so that's the point. If you want to add more as a gauge, you can use a gauge, or for other like it, you can use a table, you can use a pie chart, and so on. So all are available, and you can connect with your database and to find those values. Yeah. Okay, I think we are complete, and this is the point. Just the target was to connect the Grafana to InfluxDB and to see that the data which already available in your InfluxDB. If you think this video was helpful, please don't forget to like button, and also if you didn't subscribe, please do subscribe in my channel and support me. If you have any question in this regard and you would think it's some of the points or from InfluxDB for you is interesting and you would like to know about that, so please drop your comments below. Definitely I will take into account and provide you tutorial in this regard. Thank you again, and see you next one.